Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink camera system, quick guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Blink camera system. Locate the Blink sync module and the cameras. Plug the sync module into a power outlet using the provided adapter. Connect the sync module to your Wi-Fi network. Download the Blink app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Blink app on your smartphone. Sign in or create a Blink account if you're a new user. Tap on the Add Device button in the app. Select the Blink camera system from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts in the app to scan the QR code displayed on the sync module. Once the sync module is connected, it will prompt you to add cameras. Take your camera and insert the batteries as indicated in the instructions. Press and hold the button on the camera until the LED light flashes green. Return to the app and tap Next to include your camera in the setup. Follow any remaining prompts to name your camera and configure settings. Position your camera in the desired location for optimal coverage. Adjust the camera angle as needed. Test the camera by triggering motion to ensure it's working properly. Review the live feed and make any necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.